Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Captain Air Fryer. Tonight we are going to be doing corn. Pretty easy. Got my butter, my salt, air fryer. See what happens. I think that's all we need. So I'm just going to butter up the corn real quick. Put a little on there. And I'm going to use my brush. Just all around the corn. No, Luna, you can't have any corn. Luna is my husky here. She always wants food. I don't give her any human food though. She's got plenty of her own treats. I do not want her to beg. So I'm just brushing the butter all over the corn. If you don't have a nice brush for corn, get you one. It's also as good for grilling and putting different sauces on meat. There we go. I'm gonna add a little salt. Maybe a little pepper if I have some. Alright. I do not have pepper. Hold on here, hold on. I do have some pepper. I have a grinder here, if I know how to use it. A little pepper. And here we go. Let's see. Oh, it's cracking. It's cracking. All right. Oh, I got butterfingers. Okay, here we go. All right, got my corn ready. I've already preheated this thing. So I'm going to set the corn in. See how many we can fit here. We've got 4 kind of half corns. Oh yeah, they fit perfect. I don't know if you can see that. I'm not even going to use the rack here. Slide that in there. So you can see this. So I'm going to hit the root vegetable icon, which is this one. I think it looks like an ear of corn. So, and now I'm going to hit. Let's run this 400 degrees, 12 minutes. See what we get. Should be good. I have high hopes. So I'll be back in just a minute. Everybody, so we're done. Let's check it out. Ah, looks good. Looks good. I don't know if you can see that. Wow. Such a nice pair of tongs too. The air fryer. I've got some little, I don't know, looks good. Smells good. I guess we'll just let it cool for a minute. Get these out of here. And try it out. Easy. Real easy. Oh, that's really good. Right. Back in there. Right. Let's let this cool for just 1 minute. Try her out. And it's gonna be good. Alright. I think they're cool. Cool enough. Give it a go. Get these handy dandy, whatever these are called. Corn knobs. Oh, oh yeah. It's real good. Real good. Yeah. Add a little more salt and pepper. Real good. Tastes like, I mean, it tastes like boiled corn, but it's a little crisper, so, which adds to it. So, all right, well, that concludes the corn video. So, as always, thank you for watching. Hit the like and subscribe if you would, and we'll see you next time. Captain Air Fryer signing out.